Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today is a special day as we are celebrating the International Day of Human Spaceflight. This day marks a significant milestone in the history of human space exploration and highlights the achievements of space programs around the world. Before starting the videos, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then quickly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that you get the informative videos first. Let's begin. In this video, we will be discussing the significance of this day, the history behind it, and the advancements in human spaceflight technology that have made space exploration possible. We will also take a closer look at the future of human spaceflight and the exciting missions that are planned in the coming years. So, sit back, relax, and let's delve into the fascinating world of human spaceflight. The International Day of Human Spaceflight is celebrated every year on April 12. This day was designated by the United Nations General Assembly in 2011 to commemorate the first human spaceflight, which took place on April 12, 1961. The first human spaceflight was undertaken by Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin, who orbited the Earth for 108 minutes aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft. This historic event marked a significant milestone in the history of human space exploration and paved the way for future space missions. The International Day of Human Spaceflight is not only a celebration of this achievement but also serves as a reminder of the important role that space exploration plays in advancing scientific knowledge and promoting international cooperation. The history of human spaceflight dates back to the 1960s when the United States and the Soviet Union were engaged in a space race. The Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, in 1957, which sparked a global fascination with space exploration. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to journey into space, followed closely by American astronaut Alan Shepard, who became the first American in space a few weeks later. The United States continued to make strides in space exploration, with the Apollo missions culminating in the first human landing on the Moon in 1969. The Soviet Union also continued its space program, launching the first woman into space, Valentina Tereshkova. In 1963, the Soviet Union and the United States continued to compete in space exploration throughout the 1970s and 1980s, with the Soviet Union launching the first space station, Salyut-1, in 1971. In 1998, the first components of the International Space Station were launched, marking the beginning of international cooperation in space exploration. Since then, the International Space Station has been continuously inhabited by astronauts from various countries, conducting scientific experiments and advancing our understanding of space. The advancements in human spaceflight technology have been significant since the early days of space exploration. The early spacecraft, such as the Vostok and Mercury capsules, were relatively simple and limited in their capabilities. Today, spacecraft are more advanced, with computer systems that are capable of controlling every aspect of the mission. Spacecraft are also equipped with advanced life support systems that allow astronauts to live and work in space for extended periods of time. One of the most significant advancements in human spaceflight technology is the development of reusable spacecraft. The Space Shuttle, which was operated by NASA from 1981 to 2011, was the first reusable spacecraft and enabled the United States to conduct a wide range of scientific experiments in space. Today, Private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing reusable spacecraft that will make space travel more affordable and accessible to a wider range of people. These companies are also working on developing technologies that will enable us to colonize other planets in the future, such as Mars. Another area of advancement in human spaceflight technology is in the development of new propulsion systems. NASA is currently working on developing a new type of engine called the electromagnetic drive, M-drive, which has the potential to revolutionize space travel. The M-drive uses electromagnetic radiation to produce thrust, which means it does not require any propellant, making it more efficient and cost-effective than traditional rocket engines. In addition to propulsion systems, new materials and technologies are also being developed to make spacecraft lighter, more durable, and more resistant to the harsh conditions of space. For example, NASA is developing a new type of material called metamaterials, which are capable of deflecting harmful radiation and could help protect astronauts from the dangers of space radiation. The future of human spaceflight is exciting and holds many possibilities. In the coming years, we can expect to see a continued focus on international cooperation in space exploration, with more countries and private companies getting involved in space missions. One of the most exciting missions planned for the future is the Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by 2024. This program is also focused on establishing a sustainable presence on the moon, which will serve as a testing ground for future missions to Mars and beyond. In addition to the Artemis program, there are also plans to launch new space telescopes, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, which is set to launch in 2021. This telescope will be capable of observing some of the earliest galaxies in the universe and will help us to understand the origins of the universe. So, as we celebrate the International Day of Human Spaceflight, we can reflect on the incredible achievements of the past and the exciting possibilities of the future. Human spaceflight has played a significant role in advancing our understanding of the universe and has inspired generations of scientists and explorers. We hope you enjoyed learning more about human spaceflight and the significance of this day. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on science and technology. Thanks for watching.